Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your funds from inflation with Rowe Price, full guide step by step clearly. Understanding the impact of inflation on your savings is crucial. Inflation can erode the purchasing power of your money over time. Rowe Price offers strategies to help protect your funds. First, consider investing in assets that historically outpace inflation. Stocks are a common choice, as they often provide growth that exceeds inflation rates. Look into Rowe Price's equity funds, which focus on long-term growth potential. Next, explore inflation-protected securities. TIPS, or Treasury inflation-protected securities, are designed to safeguard your investment from inflation. They adjust with inflation, ensuring your principal increases over time. Real estate can also act as a hedge against rising prices. Investing in real estate investment trusts, or REITs, could be a viable option. They offer exposure to the property market without needing to own physical properties. Diversification is key in combating inflation risk. Rowe Price offers various funds that diversify across asset classes. Consider adding commodities to your portfolio. Commodities such as gold and oil often maintain their value during inflationary periods. Another step is to review your bond investments. Short-term bonds typically perform better in an inflationary environment. Rowe Price provides expert insights to guide you in bond selection. Regularly reassess your investment strategy. Inflation rates fluctuate, and your portfolio may need adjustments over time. Consult with a financial advisor to tailor a strategy suited for your goals. Utilizing Rowe Price's research and tools can enhance your investment decisions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.